This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott on the JDfn Financial Network. Congress passed an emergency plan that rushes rebates of $600 to $1,200 to most taxpayers and $300 checks to disabled vets, the elderly, and other low-income people. President Bush indicated that he will sign the measure. First checks expected sometime in May. Inventories at U.S. wholesalers built up at the fastest pace in more than a year in December as sales slumped following 4 months of strong gains. Inventories increased 1.1% in December. That's the biggest gain since August of 2006. According to the RBC Cash Index, consumer confidence dropped to a mark of 48.5 in early February, that from 56.3 last month. New reading was the worst since the index began back in 2002. And according to a Bloomberg Business News survey, a U.S. recession is now an even bet as job losses and the housing contraction jeopardize the longest ever expansion in consumer spending. Economists expect the U.S. economy will grow at a 0.5% annual rate from January through March. Chrysler plans to significantly reduce its product lineup and number of dealerships as the automaker rolls out a new corporate initiative. The automaker has told dealers as it outlines its Project Genesis plan that it could cut its number of models by as much as half and reduce the number of dealerships selling its cars by as much as a third in an effort to boost efficiency. Economic reports scheduled next week include the federal budget, retail sales, inventories, trade report, import prices, industrial production, as well as the consumer sentiment report. In earnings news today, Weyerhaeuser reporting a fourth quarter loss as the deteriorating U.S. housing market cut into demand for lumber, a downturn the paper and wood products company expects to continue throughout this year. Lubrizol said that fourth quarter earnings increased to $59.7 million or 86 cents a share. Last year it was 27 cents a share. Military contractor DRS Technologies reporting its fiscal 2008 third quarter earnings rose 21% on core business growth from new orders. Company earned $42.5 million or $1.03 a share. Scheduled earnings reports next week include Lionsgate Entertainment, Avis Budget Group, Bob Evans Farms, Coca-Cola, Quest Communications, Dean Foods, Molson Coors Waste Management, and Abercrombie & Fitch, just to name a few. Stocks in the news today. Activision saw earnings surge more than 90% during the December quarter thanks to strong sales of its video game titles. MGM Mirage estimates fourth quarter earnings somewhere in the range of $270 to $290 a share. And Cognizant Technology Solutions fourth quarter net income rose to $96.3 or 32 cents a share. And that's the Market Wrap. Have a great weekend. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network.